Okay, here we got some pure swallow's nest, also called the caviar of the East, and we're gonna soak them in cold water for overnight. And tomorrow we're gonna prepare some swallow's nest soup. Cold water. I'm getting cold water from the fridge, and the bird's nest are gonna be soaking in the water for at least 6 hours or overnight. And today we're gonna go with the overnight option since it's almost 7 o'clock. Submerged in water. So we're gonna use the pears. I'm gonna put them into a skillet along with water, goji berries, and rock sugar. So right now we're gonna move over to the stove. Now I'm gonna put the stove on, and I'm gonna add the pears into the pan. And I'm gonna, oh, that'll need to be cut some more. One more piece. And I will add some water. Goji berries. Be good. And recipe called rock sugar. I'm not sure if this is rock sugar, but it's kind of rocky. So that's what we're using. And it sets to boil the water up. Yeah, the heat is it's cranked up. I'm gonna put the lid on, see if that makes it. I almost forgot the most important part, the bird's nest. And it says to tear them apart a little bit. So they've been soaked overnight, so they're definitely looser than they were yesterday. So tearing them apart is not going to be, isn't hard. See how this will kind of be some gelatiny. We'll add this as thickener of the soup. Okay, and we're also going to make, this is papaya. Made in America papaya, or grown in the United States. Cutting it in half. And I'm going to take the seeds out. And I think I'm going to cube the papaya meat. I think the easiest way to do it. Actually, I think I'll cut it like this, and I take the peel off. This is may not be the safest way to do this, but I feel pretty confident I can do this without cutting into my loaf. I'm just going to leave this like this. I'm going to set it aside and use it later. I'm going to take a peek on how this is doing. I think I'm going to turn down the heat so it's not boiling so hard. And just kind of stir a little bit. Yeah, I think this will be fun. Looking at this, it looks like the bird's nest is dissolving and thickening up the soup. And I think that's exactly what it's supposed to do. They start swelling, and I think that's adding their flavor to the soup as well. This should be some yumminess. And it starts to smell like a sweet dessert. We have some soup here in a plate. And I'm gonna add some cold coconut milk to it. And top it with papaya. And then we're gonna give that a test and see if we like it that way. Just swirl a little bit so it mixes. And here it goes. I can do it this way.